Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are facing the error SU307460 on your PS4 console, you will need a minimum of 4GB USB flash drive and a computer with internet connection. Insert the USB flash drive into your PC. Right-click on the USB drive icon, select Format, choose FAT32 or XFAT, then click Start, then OK. Next, open the formatted flash drive, create a folder named PS4, all caps. Inside the PS4 folder, create another folder named Update, all caps. Now open your browser and search for PS4 system software download. Click on the first link from PlayStation.com. Scroll down and find PS4 console reinstallation file. Click on it to start downloading the PS4 update.pap file. While waiting, you can read the installation steps on this page. Once downloaded, copy or cut the file and then paste it into the update folder on your USB flash drive. Eject and unplug the USB flash drive from your computer. Back to the PS4, switch on your PS4 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear 2 consecutive beeps. Then release the button. Connect your PS4 controller to the console via a USB cable. Press the PS button on your controller. If the controller doesn't connect, try another controller or another USB cable. Now we are in safe mode. It's time to plug in the USB flash drive with the PS4 update.pap file. Select option 7, PS4 System Software Reinstallation. When prompted, select OK and wait. Now the system will warn that all files will be deleted. Select Yes. Do not power off the console and wait for the process to complete. As you can see, the PlayStation logo appears, indicating that we have solved the issue, and the PlayStation 4 is nearly ready to be used again. All that is left to be done are some initial setups and to log in to your PS4 account and re-download all your games and apps. If this video helped you to solve the PS4 error, please don't forget to support us with a subscribe, share, to like the video, and also drop a comment if you have succeeded in fixing your console. Thanks for watching, see you next time.